How to reset YouTube feed. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the option for manage all history. Tap on that and you will then see the option for controls. So tap on the controls option and then scroll down in the interface that you will be led to and then tap on the manage history option you see there. Further, simply go ahead and tap on the delete drop down you see there and then select the delete all time option. Now, in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete again, and with this, your YouTube feed will be reset. So this was about how you can reset your YouTube feed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.